friends, welcome to Navratna's channel. Today we are going to study what will be the result if the Mercury is placed in Ashwini Nakshatra in the chart. Please stay tuned. This is one of the best video where you will be knowing the planet Mercury attributes and Ashwini Nakshatra combination. So first you should know what is planet Mercury. See, in today's world, that is today's economical world, where emotion has a zero value and everything's practical, life is zero without help of Mercury, planet Mercury in the chart. This is because planet Mercury represent very important parameters of life. First thing, it represents intelligence or logical mind. See, what is intelligence? You can't say a person intelligent simply. A lot of common sense makes person intelligent. Experience also makes person intelligent, but some people are by default very intelligent. That is because of grace of planet Mercury. So, lot of common sense makes a person intelligent, and it is also he is also related to your logical mind. Now here is a difference you see. When moon is come, moon gives a emotional mind, and Mercury is a logical mind. So Mercury strong people and who's having a strong Mercury will always not listen to other people simply. If you try even convince them, they will always see if how logically the things are. If you tell them there is something, this is some mythological thing, or they are some, you are having some irrelevant abstract subject, they will not listen until unless they until unless they don't logically understand them. So they are the person who will always keep their logical mind intact. They will not listen to anybody simply. So this logical mindset is been attribute of Mercury. Mercury is also Karaka for speech. See, what is speech? Speech is if certain person who is having a weak Mercury will not have a command over speech. That like that he'll have some things to convey, but that things or his speech will not be strong enough to to make other person understand. If on an opposite side, if your Mercury is strong, what will happen is the person will be able to convey his feeling in a very good way and a very fluent way without any pauses. So some people you must have seen they take a lot of pauses while talking, and these pauses makes a confusion. They want to tell you something or convey you something, but people end up getting confused in listening to the speech because speech is not clear. So that speech and command over speech or talking or what the person want to convey, that attribute is also Karaka of Mercury. For that you have to check the Mercury placement in the chart. Now, third important thing is the medical aspect. Mercury is also Karaka for your nervous system or your memory. See, those people who are, some people who get nervous or they have a lot of issues related to memory, some short-term memory, or you have that might be because of depression or that might be because of, some sort of who yogas or say bad yogas in his or in the patrika, or you can say kundali. But the basic role of a mercury, a strong mercury makes a nervous system very strong. Such type of people with a strong mercury has a strong presence of mind. They don't get confused. They are in any situation you put them, they will be very smart enough to come out of it, or to manage the situation. They will be able to do it because he Mercury himself is a karaka for nervous system and memory. And some people will also have a strong memory. They will always remember the things just because the presence, a strong presence of Mercury. Because memory is also attribute of Mercury. Now Mercury is having another attribute, that is information and communication. Now, see what information? Information may be of any information. Maybe it is a verbal information, maybe it is a digital information, or it may be a newspaper. Any information giving or any see, guru is a knowledge where you have to go in depth of certain things and know the things. That is knowledge. But any information pertaining to something, so that basic knowledge, that low level of knowledge is information. That information which is of most important now to inform, this information plays a very significant or vital role now in this era, where you should be informed about the things. So this attribute is also been under the domain of Mercury, that is Buddha Devta. One fifth, that is his car. See, as per mythological study of Indian astrology, see, Mercury is called prince. How Sun is called king, Moon is a queen. Similarly, Mercury is prince. So prince will have that youthfulness, that charmness. See, any person, you will have that charm because of his, lot of his, because of intellect. Some people you see, they are having lot of, they look young, and they have lot of intellect. Most of intelligent people you must have seen, they are quite, they always are quite young looking, because the presence of Mercury in them, that the youthfulness is been seen by Mercury. And because of this youthfulness or that presence of mind, or you can say they have that humor in them, because they are a person who are quite on a logical mind. So such type of people will have by default have humor. So he is also karaka for fun and loving. So, Mercury related person, or a strong Mercury, a person who's having Mercury in the second house, or with the second lord in the house, they will have that, in their speak, they will make fun, they will crack jokes. So all such things, this is a karaka for higher intelligence. So they will have that sort of presence of mind in them. So such, these all are the characteristics of Mercury. Now we'll understand what is Ashwini Nakshatra. Ashwini Nakshatra is a nakshatra of healers. It is a nakshatra for medicines. So it is derived from Ashwini Kumar. And what is the symbol of Ashwini Nakshatra? It is horse. Why it is horse? Because such type of people are actually very agile, and they want to complete the things in very time bound manner. They are quite quick. They are quite, they want to complete it quickly. Any task given to Ashwini Nakshatra people, they want to see to it that they complete it within the fastest seconds, you can say, or fastest time possible. And second approach of Ashwini is their application of their energy is to help or heal people. Generally, their motive is good. They are like, they want to help you or heal you, but in a very, fast way. So, and they are agile people. So now we learn what will be the characteristics if Mercury is coming in Ashwini Nakshatra. See, when Mercury, being an intelligent planet in a healer nakshatra, that is a medicine nakshatra, gives a person very, very strong intelligence to address any issue pertaining to healing or helping in a very quick manner. Such type of people are quite, their responses are quite quick. They will always, try to help you with their information. See, they will not, it is not advice, it is not correct to say they will be very, knowledgeable person or not, because Guru is not there. But Mercury is that intelligence, that information which they will, they use to help you. So such type of people are quite, quite sharp in, helping people, because helping is an attribute of Ashwini Nakshatra, and Mercury is your intelligence. So your intelligence is in helping or healing people in a very quick way, because it is a quick nakshatra. So such type of people are, they are intelligent, and they use their presence of mind to help people. Now, Mercury is also representing speech in a nakshatra of Ashwini, which denotes horse. As you know, it's a quiet and quick. So, such type of person who is having Mercury in Ashwini nakshatra will have a very fast speak. They are quite fast speakers. They are a person who will not speak slowly. You see any people who is having Mercury here, they will like, "Yeah, I want to do, I want to do that." They will be having that, the speak. Although if Mercury is very strong, the speech may be clear to understand, but the speech will be very fast. So this is seen when Mercury is here, and Mercury is also significator of humor. So sometimes what happens, because of their speech, they also crack small jokes. So type of people make crack very quick jokes. They have that quality of speaking fast and cracking quick jokes. So this is this type of Mercury I've seen in many chart. In my experience, I have interpreted it. So these yogas are commonly found. Thirdly, see what happens. Sometimes Mercury is having a issue here, because Mercury is by default, he is very, tactful planet. He's like, he is not going to be very much frank about. He will try manage things. Maybe he's little more diplomatic. But in diplomatic is in a fiery nakshatra. So here he's in a quick nakshatra. Here such type of person may not be very much diplomatic. He will not be able to keep the diplomacy, because uh, Mercury is in nakshatra of fire, where Mercury want to, the nakshatra expects Mercury to give the instant reaction. So such type of people may sometimes end up into strong fights, some unnecessary fights or quarrels, So such type of things can be seen from this Mercury. Third, this type of people are most logical. As you know, Mercury is logical people on Earth. And logical people, why I'm telling you, because see, Mercury is a karaka for intelligent, your logical mind in the nakshatra of Ashwini, which represent the brain of a Kalpurush Kundali. So you can see this, you can see this when you logically understand this. You will see such type of people I've seen. They are quite quick, of problem solver. They are like they'll apply their mind very quickly, and they are one of the most logical people on the earth. You can say because they will instantly, if you ask them, they will their answer will be ready. Because their application of mind will be in a very intelligent way because intelligent planet that is Mercury is sitting on the brain of a Kalpurush. So this type of people are very logical and you can't you can't convince them easily. This type of people, if you try convince them, they are not going to listen because they will be very logical people. Until unless you don't show them facts, logics, they will not understand your thing and neither they will follow you. Since Mercury is also represent communication of any sort in nakshatra of healing, helping makes person successful health journalist. Here you see nakshatra. Mercury is also karaka for writing, speeches. So here in the nakshatra of healing, helping. So such type of Mercury makes best health journalist or nutrition writers or some TV journalists who are more into helping people or healing people. Or you have seen some journalists who go to the places far away, say in some Amazon jungle, they will go, they will see how their life is, they will inform the people around कि these people are having this such they are a problem. So this information part is of Mercury, where nakshatra part is of healing, of going there and helping. So in a nakshatra, Ashwini makes one of the best reporters on earth. You have seen such combination. People are the reporters who will take risk, jump and take risk and provide you information for help of others. They will convey, Baba, these people, they are having lot of their water is poisoned or there are some gases in water, so because of that they are having an issue. Or some people who are stuck in some cyclone, or they will try report you. So best reporters or best news giver are found in this type of nakshatra, and they are one of the best book writers also because it's a way of communication. And in the nakshatra of nutrition health, make a medicine book writer or health nutrition book writer. Now, what will happen in a Mercury Mahadasha? See, these type of people may become very famous in their society because of their application of their intelligence to solve or heal any issue pertaining to work or family, and also their alert practical mind. See, such type of people are a need of an hour for anyone. They are useful at home also because people also they are useful at work. So such type of people are known as born intelligent people because but you have to see other chart, which planet is expecting Mercury, other combination of chart also. But this independent yoga with a good aspect of planets, what happens is such type of people use their intelligent mind to give you instant solution. Because of that, they are always praised in society, even at their workplace, or even say in their business, or at your home, or with their friends. So they are quite they are quite charming people, you can say, and they are quite practical people because of their practical alert mind, where Mercury is in the Ashwini nakshatra of a Kal Purusha brain. So instant and alert mind is seen in their this such type of combination. Now we'll see what will be the combination of a what will be the combination of a planet sun or aspect of a planet sun on Mercury. This type of Mercury will give the result. So when the planet sun is having a good aspect on Mercury, will make one of the best ambassadors. What are ambassadors or international editors? What are ambassadors? Ambassadors are the informers. a higher level informer. And what does sun represent? Sun represent government, or it represent authority. Now Mercury is in charge, having aspect of sun or a combination of sun makes person, where Mercury is dominant, makes person a informer, but he's given taken an authority now. So now he's an international informer, that is an ambassador. He is also international. He can be also international editor or a news editor, where he will try show you, inform you about the ongoing news. When sun is having aspect, sun is basically your authority or your government. So such type of people do well in this type of profile. Now what will happen if the Saturn, if the Mercury is been aspected by planet Guru, that is Jupiter? See, this is when Jupiter is a karak, as you know, Jupiter is a karaka for jnana and Mercury is a karaka for vacha. So what happens is, this is independent Saraswati yoga. Such type of people come up, even if the person is the youngest in the family. You will see with such type of combination in chart, they are one of the matured person on the earth. They will be like most matured among all, because these people will have that knowledge of their intelligence. So they will not be like they will not be like a person who will be superficial on the subject. They will always go in the deep knowledge, because Guru is a karaka for knowledge and Mercury is a karaka for information. In the nakshatra of healing, where subject is of body health and nutrition, people will try to take the maximum, maturity in taking the thing. So they are one of the best doctors, one who is done PhD or doctorate in healing subject. They can be one of the best medical, university HOD of medical medicines, where HOD of some bigger World Health Organization, where they'll take the subject of overall, for a, because Guru is also Karaka for economy and Mercury is a Karaka for information. So such type of people are even seen in the world organization like UN, UNO, or you can say who World Health Organization or UNESCO, such type of combination. And even in practical way, there are quite matured people. Now, if this planet Mercury is having aspect or yoga with Mars, what will happen? See, Mars is, is an energy. Mars is a karaka for energy or desire, and with the Mercury, Mercury is a karaka for communication. Now, what is a desire? Desire is to communicate. Now, Mars is also electrical energy. So, this desire of electrical energy make produces a best pioneer IT technical field, technical field people. Now what is happening, where Mars is there, Mars is a planet, he is like a person who is having abundance of energy, and Mercury is a karaka for communication. So such type of people, when certain people having this yoga in Ashwini Nakshatra, they become one of the best technical experts. You will have such type of people, and where the nakshatra is also healing and helping, they are one who can troubleshoot anything. They can troubleshoot the bigger machines, any telecommunication or communication related field. They can be IITs, there can be IITians, where the technical and communication part is, they may be keen in networks, that is all internet related activities, where all data related things, and that you can say data research, data policy, all such data information, all such field is been seen because with this combination. But this type of people has one issue in them. What is the issue? See, when they may be smart people, they may be having lot of technical knowledge and troubleshoot, they may be the best troubleshooters, but their speech will be very harsh, because these combination, I've often seen such type of people with this combination. They are strong in their work, they are good in technical work, but when you go to speak with them, they are quite harsh. They are like quite frank speakers. This is because what happens is, Mercury is a karaka for speed, and Mars is a fiery planet in a nakshatra which is also quick, and Mars, so they have a harsh speech. They, this type of people may have a harsh speech, because they will not be emotional enough to tell you things, and they will be very quick in their things. that you have to do ये, you have to do ये करना है, वो करना है, ये करके देना है. If you are bad, then they'll tell you are bad on face only. So such type of people, like, uh, they are quite clear in their approach, and they are quite clear in their statements. So there is no diplomacy seen in such type of people. Now this Mercury is having a strong combination, or you can say an aspect of a moon, that is your mind. What will happen? This Mercury and Moon combination independently makes a person a very, very intelligent person. This is why, because it is a Tallak Buddhi Yoga. See why? Because Moon is your plain mind, and when Mercury is expecting him, what happens is Mercury is intelligent. So mind is being occupied or having a combination of intelligence makes person a very, very shrewd person, or you can say a persons will have a lot of presence of mind. This type of people will not be very emotional soon. They will apply their logical mind also. If you try make them emotional, it will be very difficult for them. Their memory will also be very strong. They are one of the best chartered accountant, where minute detailing things they see. You can say the company secretary field, the chartered accountant field, are actually a results of a best Moon and Mercury yogas in their chart, where buddhi and your emotion is coming in parallel, where they are helping each other. And they have a sense of humor also, because see, when you have abundance of common sense, you'll always have that humor in you, because you have that you have that maturity and presence of mind in your talk. So this combination are seen in such type of things. Now, what will happen is, when you have a Mercury having a combination of Mercury is having a combination of Venus, or having a good aspect of a Venus, that is planet Venus in expecting Mercury. See, Mercury is your speech, Mercury is your communication, and Venus is entertainment. So Venus is anything where your creativity is come. Now your speech may become your creativity for healing, because speech is Mercury, creativity is Venus, and such type of and it is healing. So laughing therapy. Now best comedian, you say, where their expression of comedy, but just you can say even an example of Mr. Bean, where his expression itself was a sense of humor. So such type of people who are artistic, mimicry artistic, comedian, or creativity of their intelligence and art is being seen when the planet Venus is expecting or in a good yoga with Mercury of Ashwini Nakshatra, where the basic root cause will remain of helping you or healing you. The laughter is also helping, therapy. So they will make you laugh. Now if this Mercury is having uh, a combination of Saturn. Now here with Venus aspect, the person can be a good musician also, because it is like you can communicate music and heal it, and art is of Venus, so they can be a good musician, good guitarist, etc. Now this Mercury is having a strong aspect or yoga of Saturn. What will happen? See, Saturn is a planet of humanitarian mannership. It is a planet of discipline. So, and Mercury is intelligent. So now intelligent or speech is being utilized to follow discipline. So now in this combination, you come up with a better judiciary, that is a legal field. You can see most of a strong legal lawyers, one who are doing very good for helping people. Now they may be a good lawyer for a cause, so they may take up a cause which is like which may be maybe sometimes may be against government, but sometimes may be for people or for government. But this type of people will try help a people, help a group of people for a cause, where your discipline is there, helping is there for the poor or low class people is being an attribute of a Saturn, and Mercury attribute is your intelligence in speech. So they are very good in law field. They are one of the best lawyers. They can be best auditors. See, Mercury is your small detailed work, and auditors is a discipline thing. So detailed discipline and best auditors in Ashwini makes even because here what happens is that Saturn get debilitated, so the position, you they may not be of higher position, but you can see they can be best in auditors, best lawyers. Now they can also be a best medical entrepreneur. Medical entrepreneurs in the sense they may be one who is actually selling medicine equipment. Medicine is because of Ashwini. Business is because of Mercury, where you are a Berber business, and metal is the Karaka of Saturn is metal. So now some people, some businessmen who are into selling of that metal rods, or they have that support system, all this uh, treatment you do, orthopedic that rod, their machineries where metal is there and it is been communicated with via internet. So such type of business where they are selling machinery is being seen when this combination is there. Now, what will going to happen when this type of Mercury is having an aspect or yoga or Yuti, that is a combination of Rahu, strong Rahu in the chart. See, this type of people are one of the shrewd people. See, what is happening here is they are Rahu is by Karaka for duplicacy and Mercury is Karaka for intelligence. So they will use their intelligence to not to do duplicacy. They can use their intelligence to do artificial intelligence also. So such type of people are intelligent. So how they channelize it is upon the yogas. If it is been expected by another good planet, suppose if they are expected by Jupiter with the nine aspects. So such type of people are one of the best, artificial intelligence doctors, or they are into some research. Now this combination can give you one because Rahu is a Karaka for Rahu is Karaka for drugs and chemicals. So they are one of the good person who is doing they are a good informer of biotechnology. They can be one of the good pharmacists also. Uh, these industries where you have the pharma industry or biotechnological industry, these type of people will do better in this field. And but the basic mindset of such people are they may be more selfish because their intelligence is used by duplicacy for their own selfishness. So this common thing can be seen. But if their aspect is of good, suppose a good planet like Jupiter expecting them, then there will be some sort of level onto it. Now this Mercury has been having a aspect of a Ketu on the in Ashwini Nakshatra. What will happen? See, Ketu, if it is Mercury has been expected or in a Yuti of a Ketu. See, Ketu is also Karaka for software. All software related things are because it will be seen that Ketu is having a attribute of software, and in the with Mercury of communication, so they can be one of the good software engineers or one of the good you know good electronic engineers, or you can say coders, where they are communicating, software is communicating with hardware, where software is K2 and communication is Mercury. So Mercury K2 combination in the healing part may be a coder for a cause, for a healing or helping people. So they can take up coding as their profession, and they will get shine in this field. See, Ketu is also Karaka for animal and plant, or Ketu is a Karaka for all living entity. So all such as plant, botany. So and Mercury is a communicator. He's a writer. So such type of people are one of the best animal writers. They are one of the best, flora, fauna writers, etc. Thanks, friends, for watching this channel. I hope you like the information which I have shared. In case you have liked the information, please do hit like button and do subscribe. Thanks for watching.